Here is the 1999 Sugar Sand Tango. Really nice boat. The matte flooring is new a couple years ago. All these seats have been reupholstered in the last 2 years as well. Here's another piece of the mat. The underside here, 175 horsepower Merc jet. 2 strokes, so there's no hour meter on this boat. It does have an upgraded stereo system with a amplifier. All your gauges here. Shifter fits 6 people. Upgraded stereo. It's a dual battery system too, which is nice. Has a switch. Trailer comes with it. There is a cover for it. It's a trailable cover. It only fits on the trailer. There it is right there. But yeah, nice little boat. Come check it out.